you're having a wonderful day. Alright, in this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to play Boulevard of Broken Dreams. So let's just go ahead and jump right in. One of these days, I'm gonna be free, I'm telling you. Alright, to start off, here are the chords, all the chords you're going to need for the verse, okay? So the verse starts with an F, okay, and then it goes to a G sharp, alright, then it goes to a D sharp, and then it goes to an A sharp, exactly in that order, and that is the verse, okay? It's really simple. F, G sharp, D sharp, A sharp. Okay, now all of these chords are bar chords. Now what a bar chord is a bar chord is any chord where your first finger covers more than one string. Okay, so right now you're covering all of the strings for the F chord, so this is a bar chord. Now this song is really, really good for practicing bar chords. Another really, really good song to practice bar chords is Scars by Papa Roach, which I'll teach you in the next video. I tear my heart open, I sew myself shut. That song, it's really, really good because it's all bar chords too. So, I don't know if you guys remember the original Green Day song, but at the beginning of the song, it's got a distorted guitar with a delay, and it's like, it goes like that. We don't have a delay. So what I decided to do was I decided to make up my own strum. And so it goes down, down, up, down, up. Okay, I'll repeat that. Down, down, up, down, up. And so when you play that in context, it sounds really good. Alright, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to play the verse for you slowly, a little bit, so you guys can follow along. Alright, remember the strum is down, down, up, down, up. Alright, I'll have the strum up there with the chords down below somewhere, so you guys can play along. Okay? So this is basically the whole song, right? So we can speed it up a little bit here. I want to set these straight on the boulevard of broken dreams, where the city sleeps and I am still alive. I walk alone. Right, all the way up until the chorus. And then right when the chorus starts, this is where the chords change. Okay, and so your chords for the chorus are going to be starting with a C sharp, which is on the 4th fret. All of these are going to be power chords, okay, so it's the same shape. So we've got C sharp to G sharp. These are both on the 4th fret. One's on the A string, the other one's on the E string, so you just hop up one string, it's really easy. A D sharp, which you've already played, you're just not playing the whole chord now, alright? And that is, again, on the 6th fret of the A string. And then we've got the A sharp, which is the 6th fret of the E string, okay? And so that's pretty much the whole chorus, except for at the very end, we've got this really weird C, alright? And that is the 3rd fret of the A string, okay? So the way the chorus is going to look is like this. Alright, and yet again, I kind of made up my own strumming pattern because this is made for electric, not acoustic. So I go down, 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 down. And at the end, I just kind of strum a little bit. So I'll break it down for you really slowly though. But down, 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 down. The last one's just up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So, like that. super simple. So da 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 da, like that. Okay. And so those are the chords. And then at the very end we've got the C. Remember I said that? So here's how the chorus is going to work. I'm going to play it with you, okay? So, my shadow's the only one that wants beside me. My shallow heart's the only thing that's breathing. Sometimes I wish someone will find me. Until then I walk alone. And there's that C. And then you just repeat the song. So you go back to the F. That's like the whole song, right? So, yeah, there you go. Boulevard of Broken Dreams. Pretty simple, pretty easy. If you guys like this video, stick around, watch some other videos. You don't have to subscribe if you don't want to. Just like, if you want to learn some guitar, hang around. You know, have a good time.